Hi there, we're back for part 2 and we're painting the detail that goes on this beautiful peony. So we're going to be painting all of the stamen and the stem and the leaves. And this is quite an involved part of the project. So you maybe want to take this in little bite-sized chunks because it's quite a long session to get it all painted in. We're going to be jumping in and out just to shorten it for you. But you will need a good day set aside to do all of this. We've also added some more shadow into the petals to give it a little bit more drama and talked about some different techniques along the way. So I hope you really enjoy doing this project, and I'd really like to see a lot of them on the forum, and don't be afraid to just give a little section of it a go. If it's something that you feel is a bit of a huge project for you, then you could take one section, like one of the big petals, and just draw that up and repeat that on some paper until you feel comfortable to do the whole project. We've used this bleed-proof white on the project, and it's not against the law, don't worry, but we've used it occasionally on the detail just to bring up some of the little highlights, and it's a product that's easily obtainable online, and it's one of those things, it's just a really nice opaque white paint, and it's great for just those little tiny touches of really bright white. But we did use the masking fluid at the beginning, and the masking fluid that I've used here is the Talons Grey masking fluid. So again, it's available online, and this is a very good masking fluid. But if you do happen to miss out some of those bright lights, then you can retrieve it with that little bit of white paint. It's all allowable and it's all permissible when it comes to botanical painting. So give it a go and see how you get on.